Today we will next part of the second chapter AVR architecture. It is the pulse width modulations. Then how to write the pulse width modulations of the C programming for the AVR microcontroller. First we get the pulse width modulations, that is two forms of signals, that is the sine wave or the square wave. It is the modifications of the two waves width modulations. Now to how to write these programs in the pulse width modulations. First we declare the header file, that is the hash includes avr.io.h hash include delay.h. Then initialize the pulse width modulations from the main programmings, that is the void pwm integer in bracket tccro, that is the timer register for the register loads 0, that is the initialize the timer 0, that is the pwm modes, is equal to 1 is less than wgm00, 1 is less than com1, 1 is less than wg, that is the w means the wires and gm is w is the width modulations, or 1 is less than cs00. That means it is the OC0, it is the pin used or the port are used in the B ports, and the output port is the B, that is DDRB is equal to 1 is less than PB3, that is the pin descriptions and the pin connections between three numbers, that is the PB3 are inserted here, that is the programmings. Now there is the only declaration for the pwm, then the main programming start here, void main opening curly brackets uint brightness semicolon pwm integer. Now it is here to main programming start, we have to declare the initialization of inputs and outputs. Then while 1, that is program for forever loop are used here. Then increasing the brightness, that means signal, it is the main parts is the brightness, we have to increase brightness for first conditions, brightness is equal to 0, then semicolon brightness is less than 255 semicolon brightness plus plus. This is the four conditions are applied here for the pwm programming. It is first, it is the input is 0, then input is less than 255, then input plus plus, that means the first condition is 0, that is 1 up to send the value for 255. Then opening curly bracket OCR0 is equal to brightness, that means we have to select the input brightness, it is goes to the value for OCR0, that means delay is used here to brightness, it is the duty cycles, that is the duty cycles or the delay are used here, that is the delay 10 milliseconds closing brackets. Then also second conditions are used, that means 0 to 55 are increasing, then 255 to 0, that means the decreasing brightness. There are two main parts, increasing by brightness or decreasing brightness. Also we have to add the for loops for in bracket brightness is equal to 255 semicolon brightness is greater than 0 semicolon brightness minus minus. First we select the conditions 255, then step by step minus condition is added, that is up to 0, that means set the value for the brightness is 255 to 0. Then this value it is send the value for port C, that is the OCR0 is equal to brightness, then also add this delay, this is a time delay 10 milliseconds, then closing forever loop and closing brackets. This is the programming for pulse width modulations. It is sine wave are used here in 0 to 255, which is the increasing order, and decreasing order, that is of 255 to 0. Then next is the ADC, that is the analog to digital converter. are it is the applications for the AVR microcontrollers. That is, we have to write the program. We have to write the program in C programming by AVR microcontroller by ADC. That is, select the header file footer files. Hash include avr.io.h, hash include delay.h, hash include string.h. String, that means we have to send the only string messages in form. Hash include om16.h. Then define this value for LCD ports B. Then define the register selects into port C0. Enable connect the port C1 and define the threshold, that is the 500, and the R threshold, L and R threshold. It is the 500 seconds. Now main part is starting here. Hash include std library.h void cmd underscore write unsigned character value opening bracket port B is equal to value. Then port C is equal to port C and negation of 1 is less than RS. That means the port is low. RS pin is low. Delay used here 1 milliseconds. Then port C is equal to port C or 1 is less than enable. That means the enable is the pin is high. Also add here delay. Then port C is equal to port C and port negation of 1 is less than enable. That means the enable pin is low. Then white data WRT unsigned characters, that is opening curly bracket port B is equal to character. That means the character value, it is output part and it pass through the value for characters. Then port C is equal to port C or 1 is less than RS, that is the register select pin is high. Also add here delay. Port C is equal to port C or 1 is less than enable. This also is enable pin is high. Delay add here. Then port C is equal to port C and negation of 1 is less than enable. That means the negation is add here. That is the enable pin is also low. Then void LCD WRT character string, that means the string is add here, while string data write in bracket string plus plus. Then initialize the ADC parts, that is a void ADC integer, that means ADMUX ARFF, that is the pin is added here by AVR microcontrollers ARFE. EF is equal to AVCC. Then ADMUX is equal to 1 is less than REFS0, that is the initialize the ADMUX. Then these enables and the prescaler of the 128 bytes, that is the 12,500,000, it is also add this delays or the prescalers enables values. Then ADC SRA is equal to 1 is less than ADEN or 1 is less than ADPS2 or 1 is less than ADPS1 or 1 is less than ADPS0. That means the ADEN, that is the ADC is enable, this value is 1. Then integer ADC read characters values. Then select the characters values 0 to 7 and gate are used in the values for between characters 0 to or 0 and 7. Then characters and is equal to value add here 0 to 7 by using the AND gates. ADMUX is equal to ADMUX and 0xF8. This is or characters. It means the clears the buttons 3 bits before the OR gate are used here. Then start the single convergence of the ADC, that is ADCSRA is or equal to 1 is less than ADSC. That means return ADC close brackets integer main void opening curly brackets unit 16th ADC result 0, that means ADC result 1, or clear character integer buffer is 10, that is the creating the array of 10 times. Unsigned character CMD, that is the 0x38, 0x01, 0x0f, 0x06 and 0x08. That is the input part is declared here that the commands are used temperature 1 and I. Then DDRB is equal to 0xFF, that is the port is output to the port B, that is the high values. Then DDRC is equal to 0xFF, that means the enable and the register select pin is also high. Then delay 10 milliseconds for I is equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus opening brackets temp 1 is equal to CMDI, that means the command we have to select the array conditions. Then CMD WRT temp semicolon closing bracket ADC register 0 is equal to ADC read 0, that is the value ADC value is a PA0, it is the 0. Then ADC result 0 is equal to ADC read 1. Then ITO 0 WRT values the display from 0x01, that is the clear display. Then CMD WRT 0x at 0, that is the cursor on first lines. LCD WRD, it is a RDL, display the LCD commands for all. RDL CMD WRT 0x0, that is cursor on next line. Then LCD WRT integer buffers delay and return 0. This is a programming for LCD ADC interfacings. Now next part is the keyboard interfacing. The keyboard interfacing or the keypad interfacing, it is the key parts, that is the 4x4 matrix are used here. There are two conditions, the two applications are used here, that is the LCD and keypads. That means there are two programmings are add here, LCD interfacing and the keypad interfacings. The LCD interfacing, it is used in the pin number PD0 to PD7 and the 4 keypad or the keyboard interfacing, it is a PC0 to PC7. There are the two ports are used here, PD0 to PD7, that is the D ports and the C ports. Now we have to write these programmings for hash include avr.h, define the values for delay, then define the keypad port C are used, then define LCD data, these commands, that is the port D. Then main programming start here, DDRB is equal to 0xFF, that is the output is goes from port B. DDRD it is equal to 0x07, that means the port D pin number 012 is the outputs. DDRB is equal to 0x0F, then port C is equal to 0xFF, that is the output is goes from port C. Then the unsigned characters keypads, that is the LCD integers, while in brackets LCD command write 0x08, that is the display of cursor is also off. Then LCD string write, it is a press any key. Then LCD command write 0xC0, that is the cursor goes on second line. Then keypad value valve is equal to read underscore keypads. Then if keypad valve is not equal to 0xFF. This condition is false. That means the LCD number write keypad valve 10. That means the keypad key, any key is pressed, then display the valve in the LCD data. Then LCD data also writes. Else and delay, then end these programmings for the keypad interfacings. Now next part is the serial communications. The serial communications is the USART, that is the main part, are used in the AVR microcontroller or the AVR families. We have to USART, that means the transmit or receive the data in serially from the other devices such as the computer to another AVR. This USART is the transmitter or receiving lines. It is a regular intervals that is requires for only 3 wires. It is a bidirectional communications, a receiver, transmitter and the grounds. Then this USART, it is connected to computer via the COM port. It is first is identified the pin numbers of the AVR microcontroller or for the serial communications. In the 14 and 15 number pins are used for the receiving and the transmissions. This receiver or transmission pin is the ATmega pins, that is the USART, are connected for the COM ports or the computers. That is the transmitted for these programmings for load the values by the hyper terminal and set the baud rate of the hyper terminals of the USART programmings. Now this is the hyper terminals, how to set the hyper terminals. Then first we write or open the hyper terminals, that is these windows are open here, connection descriptions. Then add the names for the serial communications or the serial ports. For example, we write here the serials. Then okay, next select the COM port which you are using, the press OK buttons. That means we have to select the COM ports we have used in these parts. Then select the baud rate that we set, the click and restore the default value, press OK. This is the baud rate 9600. Data bits are 8. Port are used here. Then OK. Serial hypertilt will get open in these patterns. Then initialize the USART transmission and the reception capability of the ATmega 16s, that is the receiver and transmission enables is located here, the registers, and the 2 bits return to the serial buffers to allow the serial communications in these parts. Now AVR microcontroller to are using the look of the ATmega 16s, that is the USARTs. It is the controlled registers from the programmings. Then these programmings of the serial communications of the baud rate registers are used here in the 16-bit registers. There is split into the 2 8-bit registers is the case of 16-bit register of the AVR device families that are used here, the AVR microcontrollers. Now then how to write the sending or receiving data from the USART pins, that is a code is right here. It is the AVR or transmitter or receiver programmings. Then there are these products for the ATmega 1632 or the 64 projects are used here, that is the product codes. This is the ATmega boards for the AVR microcontroller, that is the 16-bit or the 32 bits are used here. Then this is the pin descriptions for are used here. The first one number it gives, it is a power supplies are used, this the boards, that is the 5 volt or to the 12 volts. That is the 2 numbers, it is the 40 pins zip sockets of the IC mounts here. Then third number is the ISP connector are used here. Then 4 number is the reset. 5th number it is a node connectors, that is a male or female connectors. 4x2 1 display 7 segments, that is the LCD value is 7 segment display, that is a 0 to 9 numbers display in here. Arduino shielded footprints footprints, that is Arduino parts are used here in these parts. Then ULN2803, it is the driver IC are used here. I2C, that is the integrated circuits are, or bus are used. Then the SPI bus are also used. Footprints are adapter modules are used. Breakout board connectors, DC connectors, DB9 connectors, LEDs also used here. 8-way DIP switch, RTC module, that is the real-time clocks. EEPROM also used. Jumper nodes, connectors, 5-volt connectors, keyboard, LCD interfacing, node connectors, 4x4 matrix, keypad matrix, DC 12-volt connectors, and power on switches. Their whole parts are used in the, this is the AVR boards or the AVR development boards are used. Then these boards are used in the first condition is the power supply. This is the block diagram of power supplies. That is, it is a very simple to board, that is the AVR microcontrollers are used in the part of these apartments. That is the driving for the development board circuits that is are used here. Then 40-pin zip sockets are, it is also used in the ISP connectors. Then reset, that is the reset these microcontrollers node connectors are, it is the additional part of the connections for the in and out steps. Segment display, we have to display the numbers 0 to 9 of the LED. A Raspberry Pi connector also used in the AVR microcontrollers. It is the development boards are used here. Arduino shielded footprint, that is the different types of Arduino, it is compatible for the development boards. Then the ULN driver kits, that is the high voltage ICs are used here, that is the Darlington arrays or Darlington transistor arrays. SPI bus Arduino modules, there are many parts are used here or development parts are used here in the AVR microcontrollers.